What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to your girl channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. Today in my kitchen, I am delighted to have my husband in the kitchen with me, and he's the one going to show you how to make this easy and quick Jamaican breakfast idea. He's going to do some nice Jamaican plantain porridge. You can see here, he's cutting the plantain in small pieces. Right, and this doesn't take a long time, guys. He's using one plantain here. It's just both of us gonna have this porridge, so one plantain is good. He's adding the plantain to the blender. You can use water or you can use milk, so desire, which my husband is using here. He's using the milk to blend out the plantain. And this doesn't take a long time to blend, guys. 1 to 2 minutes or less, this is ready. Look at that. You can see it in the form of a liquid now, and that is what you want. So he's going to pour the liquid into the pot, place it on the stove, and allow the cooking process to begin. So as you can see, the liquid is coming to a boil. All right, and guys, when you're making this porridge, ensure your flame is on medium or on low. If not, this is going to get lumpy. All right, so ensure it's on medium or on low, and you stir as you go along. All right, so there Huzzy is starting the stirring process. Reason being, you have to stir to get the thickening. So when you're stirring, or as you start to stir, you realize it's getting thicker and thicker. But if it's too thick for you, that's fine, guys. You can just add some water, all right? Or you can add the milk, anyone that you desire. Okay, so Huzzy just add some water there, and he's continuing to stir the mixture to ensure everything is even out. And this doesn't take a long time, guys. 5 to 10 minutes, this porridge is ready. Very easy, very quick, and it's very filling too. So having a bowl of this porridge in the morning, it can last you until you're ready to have your lunch. And it's also a healthy breakfast idea too. So look at that, guys. You can see how the texture or the liquid is at the right consistency. Okay, look at that, and you can see those little bubbles. That means it's coming to a boil. So in Jamaica, we say the pot a bubble. All right. So what he's going to do now, he's going to add some spices and sweetening to this. And then the porridge is ready. Okay. So there you go. Look at it closely, guys. So he's adding the nutmeg. He's using some cinnamon, and he's using the liquid. If you have the powder, that's fine, or it's even better if you use the cinnamon leaf. Okay, he's adding some mixed spice. And as you can see, he's using no measurement, so everything is in moderation here. He's adding a little bit of sugar, some tin milk, and he's continuing to stir. Okay, so look at that, guys. Guys, if you could just smell in my kitchen, it's looking good, smelling good, and I know, guys, it even tastes good. All right, so he's gonna leave it for a few more seconds. All right, and then he's just gonna place it or display it for you. And this doesn't take a long time. 5 to 10 minutes, you are ready to have this porridge. So there you go, guys. Really looking good and smelling good. And this is how it looks as he has pour it out, right? And he adds some flaxseed to it. Very healthy. Wow.